Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the Android phone. First we need to open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app we need to tap on the profile icon, then find our Amazfit Band 2 on the list of devices and tap on it. Now you should see the device page for your Amazfit Band 2. On this page, scroll down, tap on the Unpair button, then tap on Unpair, and tap on Unpair again to confirm. The device should disappear from the list of my devices, and here, and also it should reset itself to the factory default settings. And now you can close the app, and that's how you unpair this smartband from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.